Okay, doing a video of the reverse. Say the person is in the bathroom now and they want to get back to the couch. So again, they push the echo button.
Hello, Lucy. I'm going to guide you back to the couch. First, I'll guide you to the bedroom. Just follow my voice. Just follow my voice to the bedroom. Just follow my voice to the bedroom.
I can hear the one from the bedroom calling me.
Just follow my voice to the bedroom.
I walk out here, which there's a motion sensor here. That's going to detect me.
Hi, Lucy. You are in the bedroom. Now, I'll start speaking to you from the couch. Just follow my voice. Follow my voice to the couch. Follow my voice to the couch.
Coming back out here to the couch.
Follow my voice to the couch.
There's the echo dot speaking to me. And as I sit down here, there's a motion sensor.
Hi, Lucy. Welcome back to the couch.